Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky. Today what I thought I'd do is show you how to make these. I'll just show you a little bit closer. So these are Christmas decorations which can go either on a door handle, so as a hanging decoration, or also on a tree as well. So I started making these at home, so I thought I'd show you guys just how to do it and how easy it is. So you guys can do it for Christmas yourselves. So let's move over to making time. So what you'll need today is you'll need some wide ribbon. This is so that the letters will fit onto it. You will need a thinner ribbon so that you can make the bow. You'll need a pair of scissors, the glue gun and the letters itself. So today we're going to use some Scrabble letters spelling out giraffe. So the way we're going to start off is we're going to use the larger ribbon first. Just so it doesn't fray, we're going to just put some glue on the end here and we're going to turn it over neatly. Just a little bit of glue. And then just fold it over carefully, just so it matches up. And that will just mean that your edge doesn't fray. So that's nice and glued down. And I've already laid out the giraffe letters, so what we're going to do is we're going to put each letter individually onto the piece of ribbon using the glue gun. So take the first letter, just evenly spread out the glue on the bottom there, and then we'll place it down here neatly and work your way with the other letters. So all the letters are stuck onto the ribbon. So to work out the measurements we'll need left for the rest of this fabric, we're going to start off making the bow first, so we know how far up the bow goes and how much we need to leave over for the next bit. So I'm just going to make the bow. So I've just made the bow. Just trim it when you need to. The bow is going to stick onto the top above giraffe, so just stick that one on now. Just make sure you centre it. So I've got the giraffe here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave 3 big squares. I'm going to fold it over, and where it reaches the bow, I'm just going to cut it across here. What we need to do again, so that it doesn't fray, is we're going to put some glue just across the top here and then fold this edge over. So we'll do that once again. And we'll just fold that edge over. There we are. So now we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to put a bit of glue on this edge and then we're going to attach it onto the back of the bow there. So that there is our finished product. We've got the loop there so that we can hang it up then as well. And you can put that either on a door or on a Christmas tree, just to show some Christmas cheer. So how did you guys get on? Because I managed to do mine. So this is mine, giraffe. and that'll look brilliant on one of the doors or on the Christmas tree as well. You can make them for friends and family and give them out as presents. So Christmas is only round the corner. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching and making these hanging decorations for Christmas. If you've made one, then put a picture in the comments and let me see what you've done. That'd be awesome. Or follow me on Facebook or on Instagram and you'll be able to see everything that's going up to date as well. If you guys haven't already, subscribe. That's the big red button just below and you guys will be able to see all the videos coming up to date. I hope you've enjoyed and I'll see you again soon. Bye.